In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can password protect your website on Wix. Now, a couple of things before we get into this video, I just want to set your expectations. There isn't a way to password protect your whole website, but what you can do is you can password protect specific pages. So a website is constructed of pages, right? So we've got home, blog, and contact. Now we can't password protect the whole thing, but we can password protect specific pages. So it's the best that we can do, and it's the only real workaround we have in Wix. So first you want to go to pages and menu, and then once you're here, you're going to see all of the pages you've got on your site. I've got a hidden page here. What you want to do is you want to go to the page you want to hide, click on the three dots next to it, and then what you can do, you can go to settings, and then from settings, you can hide it from the menu, which kind of like hides it, but I know it doesn't really solve your problem. Or you can go to permissions, and then who can view this page. You can change this to password holders, and then set a password. So I'll set the password to 121, and then we can go back out of this. Now we can go ahead and do this for every page. You can see now there's a password icon. So let me just go ahead and go to settings on the blog page and set the same password, and then the same for the contact page as well. See, this is where we have problems, look, because this page cannot be password protected for some reason. So in this case, you might want to hide this page or potentially even delete it. So I'm going to delete this page and we'll see what our website looks like. Now we've password protected all of the pages that we can. Now, I'm going to agree with you here in the comments. This isn't an ideal solution, but it is the only solution you're going to get. So I'm going to publish this site and we'll just take a look at the site. So now it should ask us for a password. So there you go. If people go to our website, they need a password now to enter. And then once you've entered in the password, if they go to the blog section, again, they're going to need another password. Now, this is the only real workaround to password protecting your whole site. I hope that quick video was helpful and obviously did help you out.